बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सजदा रजा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 3। माय स्कूल नेम इज फैजान इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम, हैदराबाद, Pakistan. Today we learn maths basics. In maths basics, we will see zero power in subtraction of variable. In previous video, we will see zero power in addition of variable. But now we will do zero power in subtraction of variable. And now we will follow 4 conditions. First condition, same variable, same power, same sign add and different sign subtract. Let's take one example. Now, first of all, you know there is multiply sign and there is multiply sign too, and I'm going to show it. And you know too, the variable has zero sign. It means it fully become into a 1. No need to tell you. For example, now, first of all, you know there is 1 plus. Look now, 2 ones are 2. Variable and the power comes as it is. Now, 3 ones are 3. See, this is constant. There is no variable, no power. It means it can not possible. Not possible. Okay. It is very easy. You can understood in 5 minutes too. Now let's take another example. Now you know there is a multiply sign and there is 2. I'm going to show it. And you know, when variable has 0 power, it's fully become into 1. And I'm going to show it. Look, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4. You see, different sign, subtract. There is plus. Different sign means minus. 4 minus is equal to 1. Which is biggest number? 4 is biggest number. 4 has minus sign here. And this is our answer. Okay. No subscribe, no like, only share.